Geoclay, it applies a geometry node on a clay mesh. Launch Bumarin. Build an object on which you will apply the Geoclay. Convert it to mesh. Build the instance object. Convert it to mesh. Deactivate the mirror. Decimate it in order to have a very lightweight mesh. Activate the Geoclay operator in the action line of the clay panel. Choose with the selector the instance object in the viewport. Select your clay. Click on the arrow icon to apply the Geoclay to your clay object. Your clay object has some new parameters at the bottom of the panel. You can play with the level to increase the number of instances, or activate the live voxel to increase the number of details.